Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy S20. Now, the reason that I'm making this video is because this device is a beast and the price has dropped a little bit since its launch. Now, this is one of the last Samsung devices that you get inside of the box: a fast charger. We can find AKG earbuds, a fast charging Type-C to Type-C cable. This is the device itself. It's kind of small, but it's the perfect size. Now, for a reference, this is an S8, this is the S20. It's the same size. Inside here we have paperwork, and this is the SIM tray. You might have an old device like the S8 that I just showed you, or you just want to upgrade to a much better phone. This is the phone to get in 2021 or even in 2022, because this is a flagship device from Samsung, and to imagine that the S8 still works, even though, as you can see, it's beaten up a lot. The LCD is broken, the line here, and the back also is broken. But now, main things that this phone has: it has a gorgeous AMOLED display, 120 Hz. This phone, it's on Android 11 with One UI version of 3.1, but it will also receive future updates. Here you see the latest update for this phone is August 1st, 2021. As I mentioned, the motion smoothness here is 120 Hz. And it's gorgeous. I love the display of this phone. Also, I love the size. This is the size that a phone should be. Being a flagship phone, I want to mention that this phone is IP68 water resistant, which can resist up to 1.5 meters and 30 minutes. Again, this is the S8. I have the S8 Plus here, but it's kind of bigger. If you want a bigger phone, you can get the S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. Also, it starts with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And the flagship processor that this phone has, combined with 8 GB of RAM, it's very good. Also, I want to mention that being a flagship from Samsung, this phone will record up to 8K. It will be with 24 frames per second, but it's there. You also have Ultra HD with 60 frames per second, Full HD with 60 frames per second. Here on more, you have more features of the camera: night mode, pro mode, panorama, super slow motion, hyperlapse, dual recording, etc. Also, the main sensor of this phone is 64 megapixels and it's quite good. Also, we can use this phone for everything. When I mean everything, everything. You can do a lot of stuff. Even in games, this phone is a beast. The phone has 4000 mAh of battery, which I believe it's kind of small, but being a smaller display from other Samsungs, I believe it will go on an average use all day. Now, keep in mind, this phone is new out of the box, but even if you find a used phone which is in a good condition, you will also get a good battery life. And now, the final thoughts. This is a good phone. It's a phone that will cost you around $600 to $700 depending on the location that you are right now. But considering that the summer is over and you want to treat yourself a little bit here, you can get this phone. It's a flagship phone. It's still a flagship even though it's old, and I recommend you get it. The price may seem high, but it's good. If you don't want to spend that much, I would recommend you get a phone like the F62. It has good specs and it's kind of bigger than the S20, but this device will cost you half of the price of the S20. This phone is around 300 euros, probably less, and this is around 600 euros. And with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.